Jordan, shut up.
Getting cold.
What you saying? I should have been had this ready? Alright. I have the glare. This is my first seafood mukbang. Jordan did one earlier this week, correct?
Yes, I did.
Show him your plate.
You wasting it.
I'm not.
You wasting the juice. All on your feet, huh? That's because Mara doesn't want to listen. Have a hard time doing that, don't you, baby?
So we about to get down and get dirty. What you want to talk about, Lovey?
I want to get.
I got shrimp, crawfish, and crab. Jordan got crab and crawfish. Let's talk about your birthday. You had a very beautiful post on social media about 26. Mind sharing what you said? Because I forgot.
You can post it on the video.
I don't have time to do all of that, Jay. I really don't. Every time you tell me to post something on a video, I can't do that.
Every time, you're right. You've never done that.
I can't do it.
Every time I've asked.
Not that I don't know how, but I can't do it.
But
Jordan's birthday was on July 3rd. He turned 26 years old. He's so young.
I am.
Such a baby, and he acts like it. She gave me a pound of crawfish? That's a pound of crawfish. This is a pound of crawfish because they put it in that thing.
You get it after.
No, she put it. This ain't no pound of crawfish, G. You have all that crawfish on your. This is not. This
I got 2 pounds.
This is a pound of crawfish. This is like a pound of crawfish to you?
They're big.
Anyway, Jordan turned 26 years old.
I did. An amazing moment.
Why?
And I'll tell you, the world stopped on my birthday.
July 3rd, the world stopped, huh?
Social media was shut down.
It was. That's the world?
Accidents happening left and right. People getting married. Crazy day.
What does 26 mean to you? Like, do you care about birthdays? A lot of people claim they don't care about birthdays, but
I definitely want to pay attention to body goals. But it's 26. I always put on myself.
they what? Oh, do you notice that we're unintentionally matching? Huh? We have on denim and white.
She copies me.
I was just about to say that you love to be me.
I just don't.
You dip it in butter?
You know how you use the big bowl.
We don't have the food. Stop. Trifling. Spicy. That's how they be acting.
Right.
No, you've had a long week. So July 3rd, you started it off. On your birthday. No, July 2nd.
Yes, Mary took me to a lovely dinner. Her mother took me to a lovely dinner.
It wasn't just my mom.
Mary
Me and my mom got together.
Mary accompanied.
Are you serious?
Me and her mother's date.
Okay.
It was a moment.
You went to Fogo de Chao. Very interesting. Very interesting.
I don't know. They say Sean, and I hate it, but
Okay, it's not.
I don't know.
It's not Sean.
But the people at the restaurant say Sean.
Fogo de Chao. Okay, then why did they spell child like that? You see what I'm saying?
Right? I don't know.
Oh well. I don't have no more.
It's because you started too early. Should have waited.
I ate earlier.
But no, my birthday was good. I think I do want to focus more on self and the people around me moving forward.
What do you mean by that?
Just making sure I have winning energy around.
You felt like you didn't?
Not that I didn't, it just wasn't intentional. But I feel like I need to like I need to keep my eyes open. For that type of attention. Or at least that type of energy.
Okay, energy.
So I don't, you know, just get distracted around people who not necessarily mean harm, but they just not
Or contributing.
Right.
Look.
Only you. Well, this is great.
I have another battery
Perhaps.
style.
Stop it there. So unprofessional.
I didn't know you were leaving today. Or if when I gave the off, I didn't know you were taking. I need to be able to. I'm missing something. I just had something in my mouth.
But yeah, I just wanna oh no, I wanted to give people a shout out for like being a part of my journey. And this might just be me because I'm a Cancer and I'm self-centered, but it's something that really happens like during Cancer season where people really feel obligated to shout out Cancer birthdays, like more than any other season. Like honestly, like it's literally every other day you see somebody posting like happy birthday to this person or that person, whatever.
Because they know like Cancers are very self-centered and emotional, so they want to make sure they shout them out.
Well, they do a good job at it. 7 was 33. She looks so good.
Me and Jordan have been sending each other Cancers. We probably miss people, but there are 1,000 Cancers who are like in the public eye. It's crazy.
Great people. Talented people.
Interesting people.
Yes.
This is the time for emotions. Get in tune with them.
Yeah. I'm definitely like in a space where
You gotta speak up.
I'm trying to get to this crap. And I'm sorry, y'all, my energy level is low because Mara decided to do this at the end of a very long week.
Because we didn't get to do it.
The entire city has been partying for Essence, and Mari wants to do this on the last day. I'm friend, huh? You get what you get. Levy. Mari also threw me an amazing birthday party. We watched Stranger Things.
You think so?
A little disappointed.
What were you disappointed in? Elaborate.
In Stranger Things.
Oh, okay.
See, she'd just be ready to go. She'd be ready to go. Ready to go.
But no, it was nice. We had projector, some snacks, some drinks. It was like a little watch party thing. Some people weren't aware of what Stranger Things was, and that like it was gonna be like a legit watch party where we watched the show. Did it after work.
Mara has never watched.
Well, they must be about to close.
Mara has never watched Lemonade.
No, I haven't.
They don't have Big Shot.
Sad.
Try to turn off the light.
It might be motion. You haven't even heard the album.
I've heard a few songs off of it.
A few.
The ones that went on the radio.
I'm missing out. My whole body of Beyonce work. What is this soft?
Pkwy.
I just can't crack it. The crack it, so
Oh, it
it
is.
messed it up.
Because we came at the end. This is really soft. My God. They're old. They're old.
They're not old.
I don't know. I'm trying to get all in here. But nonetheless, you enjoyed your birthday
I did. I enjoyed the whole.
week? Pretty much spent it with you almost every day.
Part of it. She can't hang at night.
I'm not coming home at 8 a.m.
Wow.
I'm not coming home at 8 a.m.
Wow.
Or 5 or 4. Oh, I have done that with you before. But not this time. Still getting over sickness.
You gotta turn it down.
The light. It's gonna keep going up and down.
Or you gonna turn it down when you edit it? Cause you write it out.
Still turning down. The kids these days, they know what mukbangs and YouTube is. This little boy just walked by and just keeps staring in the window. He was staring as he walked up, staring in through the window as we do the video. Would you care to get your camera? Or use your phone? At some point, I would love if Jordan starts. Jordan actually does vlog. He documents everything. Almost everything.
Save for my own personal memories, not for you guys.
I have a lot too that I don't share. Now, Jay, I have a question.
Once.
Would you care to share some of your...
No.
Oh, look! I've never done this. Oh, dang it.
Got too excited.
Roll up.
Yeah, I haven't even seen those videos.
I have. You know what's funny?
What?
What was that concert that she had? I had went to with the one with the box.
Lemonade.
No, it's the Formation tour.
Yeah. That was that album.
But I was saying, I was about to say she was doing that album. I enjoyed it. I got free floor seats. Somebody had hit. My mama was like, is she a Beyonce fan? Not really. But I'm gonna go because I know the production is A1. I would never pass up a show, especially since I had never been. And when I tell you, I feel like I was the only person who I was with who was paying attention to the production. I said, I'm sorry, like y'all asleep. This is
It's
important.
phenomenal.
The lady didn't do this for no reason.
And then she became a fan.
I'm not a fan. I appreciate the production. When I tell you me and Jordan should have recorded us watching Homecoming.
Phenomenal.
Great content. Authentic.
Okay.
Sometimes
Foolishness. Oh.
every time you get excited.
Dang it.
I really hate when they be like that. But
That's absolutely no reason though
make you want it
to do that.
and make people want the crab.
Ooh. Juice is going everywhere. Wetter than Fiji.
People be drinking butter. Drinking the butter.
They get sick.
I know I've been gone for a while, y'all, but I'm here. I'm wearing a white shirt.
Big
Go to
dog.
work tomorrow.
I know. Luckily, it's gonna be a good week.
They're gonna be mad.
Do y'all use the utensils or you're just cracking?
Comment below.
Oh, wow. Shut it down, huh? The only thing I wish we did have was like the different sauces.
Cajun Jackson makes it.
Oh, really?
I forgot what it was. I have to go back and see. Sip of my crab portion.
I wonder how they've been doing. Stayed intact. Dippity dip dip, dip dip dip. It's a cute little snake. Oh. Bless you. That was beautiful. Now that you really have to do that with.
It's like that here.
Sorry we're not talking much. We usually focus on these things.
And I'm sober and tired.
You embarrass me on camera?
I will.
What's one little measly crawfish gonna do to you?
You took it. How many more did you eat that I wasn't paying attention to?
One. I only had one. Now just two. You got all of this, Lovey.
Mary, you ate yours. Stay away from mine. Thank you. You just
Bring them all over. Stop giving me like one. I need the whole thing. I need the whole thing.
go get it.
Now the glare is back by me. Bless you, baby. I love Megan. I really do. Like, I love how she's like just straight Houston. Like all that trap, all that chopped and screwed, lean type of, like the beats are very UGK. Oh, I love them. What was that song? That one where she said I walk with a limp and she be going like this? That was the Cognac Queen, huh? No, not that one. Not that one. It's another one. That I think that was on Tina Snow. Can you hear me ahead sometimes? You got everything on your side. Oh, ghetto. Now how? That's not right. Jordan,
Oh.
you gonna block me? Cancel season.
Put the top on it, Mari.
You keep waiting on us to leave, Jay. You have a good night. You leaving?
Huh?
You leaving?
No.
Oh. Oh, okay. They have cut the lips off inside there and he's still eating.
Yes, I got people from not eating.
What they do? You sure?
Yeah, I see them.
This is the end of Lovey's birthday. We are ending with some seafood and a
It's not the end of my birthday.
mukbang. It is
This
the
might
end.
be the end
We
of
are
you respecting
unintentionally matching denim. Let me show you. Come on for the thing, denim. Gee. You're too tall, baby. Similarly. One. Jordan, you have a problem? Jesus, Jay.
You want a little time?
The niggas be jealous. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. Well, y'all, this was a fail slash
It was
success.
a fail for you. I'm good. You just always want somebody to act an ass on your camera.
It's the ghetto.
That was not hurting you.
They love it. They love it.
Did you not hear the shots?
They started shooting. It's time to go. At some point, I would love for Jordan to just be like very appreciative of me.
Girl, get the fuck. I am.
Thank you so much, Lovey. That's all I wanted you to say. I'm content. Good night.
Baby, I've been hungry for the night.